Hello friends, this is Tedip Kalkani and welcome to the second video tutorial of our Android app development using Kotlin. So, in this video tutorial, we are going to know importance of Kotlin and also going to run our basic app which was created in our last tutorial. So, if you don't see our previous video, then go to the link below in the description. Watch it and get back to this video. Let's come to the topic. Now, let me introduce you with importance and history of the Kotlin. So, Kotlin is a programming language which is developed by JetBrains and its supporters. And in Google I/O 2K17, Kotlin is declared as Android official language. Kotlin is more flexible than Java because by writing the less code, we are able to getting more output in compared to the Java. Java is the first JVM language which is run on the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Kotlin is also the JVM language which is run on the Java Virtual Machine. So we need to install JDK, Java Development Kit, for running the Kotlin programs. Kotlin and Java are the interoperable languages. It means that if you are currently developing any Android application using Java, then you don't need to worry about it because you can call Java functions from Kotlin files and Kotlin functions from Java files. So you don't need to worry about it because they are interoperable. Another difference is Java files has .java extension and Kotlin files has .kt extension. Let me explain you simplicity of Kotlin by giving one example. So now we are in the Notepad++, which is the simple text editor. In Java, we write the main function as public static void main in bracket string args and bracket over. Then between curly bracket we can write the body of code. And in Kotlin we can write the main function as fun main in bracket array name means args colon array, then in triangle bracket string, then triangle bracket over, then in curly bracket we can write our body of code. So let me explain you the Kotlin function. If you are the Java developer, then you obviously know the main function of the Java. In this, void represents nothing. Void is the return type of the function that defines that main function returns nothing. And main is the function name, and between brackets we can pass argument. Here args is the array and it is the type of string. Then in Kotlin, for declaring the function, we have to write fun keyword, then main is the function name and pass the argument between the bracket. For passing the argument, type argument name, then colon, then its type. Here, array is the type of argument and it is the type of string. Now, what about void in Kotlin? For representing void in Kotlin, we have to write colon then unit. Unit is same as the void which represents nothing. So this is the simplicity of the Kotlin. So open up Android Studio and open our project which we have created in our last tutorial, first demo project. So by default we get main_activity.java and corresponding XML file activity main.xml. Now we are going to configure Kotlin in our Android Studio. So for configuring the Kotlin, go to the file option, then go to the setting option, then find the plugin in the left panel and click on it. Then click the browse repositories option. Then in search box simply search for Kotlin. Then you will find Kotlin languages option and click on it, and here you will find the install button. I already have installed it, so I don't have install button here. You have install button, simply click on it and after installing it, restart your Android Studio. After restarting Android Studio, get back to our project. After installing the Kotlin, you have to configure the Kotlin. So go to the tools, then go to Kotlin option, then configure Kotlin in project option. Then you will find two options, Gradle and Android with Gradle. Click on Android with Gradle option. Then click on all modules and here select the latest version. At the time of video 1.1.3-2 is the latest version and hit OK button. This will show an error that your Gradle file is old. So just simply click on the sync now button and it will take some time for first time configuring Kotlin and make sure you are connected with internet because first time it will download some dependency files for Kotlin. After synchronizing completed, we are going to convert our Java file into the Kotlin file. So go to the Java file and press the shift key two times. The search everywhere dialog will pop up. Search for Java to Kotlin. And here you will find convert Java file to Kotlin file option. Click on it and it will convert your Java file into the Kotlin file. Now our Java code is converted into the Kotlin. Here main activity is our class and app compact activity is the class from which the main activity class extends. Now click on the run button or debug button. I already have opened my AVD. If you don't know what is AVD, then go to the description and click on the link and get all information about AVD and know how to create it. So now click on AVD which you have created and click OK. I already have opened my AVD here. As we can see in our preview in XML file hello world, our Android app will show hello world on Android device screen. Boom, our application is running and we can see the hello world message on our first demo project application. That's all for this tutorial. So in next tutorial video we are going to make an Android application in which one text and one button is appear on Android application screen. As we click the button, the text on the screen will going to change. And the interesting part is that we are going to code all these things using the Kotlin language. So stay tuned with us guys and like and share our video and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.